Global POS allows you to ease and fast transaction. For grocery, drugs, and restaurant, click the point of sale button or press F7. Here is where the selling transaction takes place. For the barcoded item or product, using the barcode scanner, scan the barcode of product. And for the item with no barcode, press F9 for the search dialog box. Type the very first few letters of the product and press enter. To change the quantity, press E or click the edit button, type the editing quantity and press enter. To delete or void item, click the delete button or press D, then Y. Press End for payment entry. Click the delete button.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can it be?